My feathered belly is gold, a unique trait I'm told. I puff it out in the cold and sing. I make my home in the crop, complete with waterproof top. When it's done, the beak can drop. It goes. My beak can open the dirt, bugs and grain are dessert. Even weed seeds don't hurt, I still sing. I am a sensitive guy. When a human walks by, I take off into the sky. I sing. Storm clouds are rolling in now. I'll ride the wind past that plow and bust in silo and cow. Still I sing. My sense of purpose is strong. My maker gave me this song, soundtrack for where I belong. So I keep singing.